Hi everyone, I'm Victoria Vic's Vanity Vault. Today I'll be showing you a quick, fresh makeup look that's perfect for work, and it's super affordable and beginner friendly. So for this makeup look, we'll be using all Nigerian brand makeup products, and we'll be priming our face with the Zaron Oil Block Mattifier. It's super perfect if you're an oily skin girl. I'm just going to pour it on this metal pan I have here. I'll be using this tiny foundation brush to apply it on my face. And I'm just applying it mostly on my T-zone areas because that is where I get a lot of oil. So while the primer is drying down, I'll be going in with to fill my brows, and I'll just be using this New Beauty brow gel brow mascara in Ebony. So first brush up my brows, which is quite bushy. It's a quick makeup look, so that's why I'm not going in with any pencil or whatever, just straight to the brow gel or brow mascara, whatever this is called, and it's tinted, so it's just enough. I'm not going to be doing too much. And I'm mostly filling the end part of my brows because that is the place that is sparse. Guys, the mattifier is definitely giving milk of magnesium vibes. See how white I look. Now onto the foundation. You want to use the foundation that you're sure of, that is your exact skin color. Not a new foundation that you've not tried, but a foundation that is tested and trusted for you. And for me, that foundation is the classic Just Like Skin foundation in Nutmeg. This is my exact shade. It is just matte enough for me. So I have the foundation here, and I'm just going to put it on my foundation brush, go in with my spray, my makeup spray, going with my makeup spray on the brush where the foundation is. Oh, let me remove this. Okay, so and then start applying all over my face. Still my makeup spray. And you can see for my nose, I'm not going in with too much foundation. I've already spread the foundation on other places, and because the foundation is my complexion, my exact complexion, whatever is left on the brush, I'm just using it to hide that milk of that mattifier. Then that way I don't have any breakage or creasing on my nose that people always complain of. So that's something you can do if the foundation on your nose is always breaking or creasing. Just don't put too much there. And you guys, I've not dipped into the foundation again, and I still have a lot. That's how somebody will be wasting foundation in this economy. For my concealer, I'll be using this Avo liquid concealer invisible coverage. It seems bright enough, but not so bright. Seems like 2 shades lighter than me. I'll just take a little. I'm still going in with the foundation brush. You are in a hurry, so you don't need too much product or tools to use if you want to. If you have all the time in the world, you can use all the tools you like just to brighten it up. Dark circle wear. Now I'm going in with my powder. This one is from CPD. It's their new powder. They just brought it out. And my complexion or my shade is 05 Cappuccino. Okay, and then my powder brush all over my face. You just see this thing as color because it's like a powder foundation. I bought it at the makeup fair. This is my first time using it. I had no idea to have coverage. Eyeliner first. I'm using this retractable black pencil. If you know us, you know that we can't do without kajal, tiro, just to give the eyes some definition. Okay, and then mascara time. At this cute pink mascara from Kiss Beauty. I wonder who the makers of Kiss Beauty are. Do you think they're a Nigerian brand? Like, where did they come from? Because they are looking Nigerian brands for me. Because they are very affordable. Time for some definition on the face. And for that, I mean bronzing or contouring. I have this ZKL compact. What do you call it? I have this ZKL palette. And I'll be using the shade Noir just to add some. So my face is not just, you know. Because not Noir I'll be using Cappuccino. Okay. Yeah, I'll be using Noir. So I'll be using Noir just to give my face some dimension. The forehead. I don't know if you can see anything. Can you see any difference? We'll be doing something about our lips, and for my lips I'll be using this lip liner from Classic. It's a lip liner in wine, and this Blossom lip gloss, very pigmented. This one is in Kiss. I love it so much. It's the Blossom Irresistible lip gloss. So let me just line my lips. Roughly. And then with the lip gloss, Irresistible Kiss Classic in wine. Just look at, and this is a lip gloss, you guys, not a lip stain. A lip gloss. Again, I bought this at the makeup fair. I wasn't sure about it, but I was like, just get one. If I had known, I would have bought the nude one. I was not informed at how pigmented it was. Look at. Tell me I don't look put together. And this was less than 15 minutes, despite me talking. Let me go in with the same Zickel powder palette, using this shade on my eyes. Just to give it some depth. Last but not the least, but it is actually the least, is the makeup spray, and I've been using the one from Silhouette, from MS Metics. It's their matte finish spray, and it's called Silhouette. I have this makeup sponge here. Let me just press it in. And that's it, guys. See how simple it was to achieve the look. You see, you don't need lots of fancy products or hours in the mirror to look put together. If this video was helpful, please leave a comment. Even if it is a simple hi, I would really appreciate that. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share the video, like the video, and I have lots of amazing videos coming on. So yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much. Bye.